Hello, Robert. Thank you for the opportunity to be able to give a video testimony of my experiencing the process of writing my book through um, your help and your amazing book writing formula. It truly has been a refreshing journey, long, tedious at times for me, being a novice, person who never dreamt or even thought that writing a book was in the cards for me. But having aligned myself with you in this process has been amazing. I must tell you that I have two friends who are also writing books. In fact, they started writing the books long before I did. And listening to them and their stories of how they're struggling, and in fact that they're actually stuck. They're stuck where they are, and they're not getting the help or the expertise that I enjoy with you, and actually hearing their stories. You know, I feel a little embarrassed by telling them about what my experience is, but they asked me, and I shared it with them and told them how easy your book writing formula is. The process is easy, and how you were able to alleviate my fears and my concerns, and being a novice and never did anything like this before, how you were able to um, coach me through the process, and then more importantly, get what was going on in my head and out of the many notes that I made through my journal, and get them out on paper in a sequential uh, way that actually made sense. So, um, and I was encouraging them that you know, listen, my coach, Robert Nahas, his formula works. Um, but I also told them um, how I believe you because of your passion for helping people. I know this is your business, but I know this is your passion, uh, because you helping me to get the best out of me and being able to deliver a product and put it out to the world that will have the potential to transform lives. Um, you're helping me to help people, and I love it. I love it, and I'm excited to see how this book will transform the reader and transform the world. I also told them that how it's important for me to complete the process, and how it's important for them to complete their processes. But uh, again, they don't have too many processes. But I did tell them all about you, and gave them your information because I believe that you can help them. Um, I also want to say, Robert, that I appreciate you because as a person, um, it's was evident to me of your experience, but also your general love for what you do. And again, I'm excited, as you know, have got this long journey to actually have a manuscript in my hand, going through the final editing powers and so forth. But I'm excited to have a finished manuscript in my hand. And my friend, looking forward to the launch. So I truly thank you for helping me to achieve my book writing goals through your amazing book writing formula and this process. And I wholeheartedly endorse it to anyone, whether they're beginning, they've been writing for a while. I am certain that they will find value in and through this program and through you. So, my friend, thank you so much again. Look forward to talking to you soon, and have a great day.